Hello guys, I'm back with part 2 of the review of the MJX 16207, the awesome MJX 16207 buggy, this one. And since the last video, I did a few upgrades on this one. I installed the DUMBO X6FG transmitter and receiver, and then what happened is I ran through about 7 or 8 battery packs, and the diffs packed up on this one, the pot metal diffs. So I installed the steel diffs. Also, what happened to the car is it hit the wall, and then I broke the shocks. This one shock broke, so I had to replace the shocks. And then also when the car slams into a wall, it also breaks these swing arms or the steering arms of the car. And those steering arms, I replaced it with metal arms so that if it crashes again, it doesn't break so easily. Okay, and then this is about it. I replaced the diffs, and I did a few upgrades. I installed the X6FG transmitter, and then I really love this car. It's an awesome buggy. You won't regret getting one for yourself. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one.